This is a channel trailer. To be more specific, it is the channel trailer of the YouTuber Jay Kaslo, starring Jay Kaslo as Jay Kaslo, and introducing Bonnie and Clyde. Our story begins with Jay, a multidisciplinary creative director currently based in the city of Philadelphia, specializing in design, motion graphics, video editing, art and illustration, branding, and original content creation. Over the years, he has acquired a certain set of skills, not unlike Liam Neeson's set of skills.
Are a very particular set of skills.
But on the other hand, very much unlike those skills. More in the realm of creativity and productivity, including but not limited to Photoshop, Illustrator, After Effects, Premiere, web development technologies such as WordPress and Elementor, productivity software such as Notion, and several amazing apps within the SetApp collection, AI technologies such as Midjourney and 11 Labs, Apple everything. Having spent 16,428.3 hours watching and learning from various YouTubers over the years, it occurred to him, wouldn't it be great to consolidate all of these related areas into just one channel? A place where you could come for Photoshop tips, but stick around to learn Premiere and After Effects. And while here, learn 5 new ways to customize your iPhone, or how to organize your life with Todoist or Notion. Clear tutorials and reviews with exquisite style and attention to detail. Highly informative, yet fun to watch and chock full of pop culture references.
More intensity.
Edutainment at its finest. Jay thought, what a stellar idea.
Wow.
Hence, he procured the necessary equipment to maximize his efficiency at bringing you a steady dose of enjoyably edifying content. Mac Studio, Stream Deck XL, Apple Studio Display, Logitech Pro Wireless Mouse, iPhone Pro Max, iPad Pro, Sony A7C camera, Samsung SSDs, Simpsons memorabilia, this, and one of these. With all these creative tools at his disposal and a passion for design and the arts, Jay set out to create a most wonderful YouTube channel for you to enjoy and learn many things. Jay invites you to make this channel your one-stop, non-stop source for boosting productivity and leveling up your creative skills. Click the subscribe button to begin the journey.